Hello, everybody. So, this week, as you're reading Alice in Wonderland, I created this Google slide. And in this slide, you will find some different lessons, things that you're going to be learning this week. So, you're not reading the full story of Alice in Wonderland, you just have an excerpt, so a part of the story. You're going to learn about direct and indirect characterization. Direct characterization is when the author makes direct statements about a character's personality. So, through this type of characterization, we are able to easily see the character's personality because the author comes right out and tells us. And here's an example: Sally is a loving daughter. She always worries about others above herself. So, we know directly from what the author has said that she is a loving daughter. In indirect characterization, the author reveals characteristics about a character through the character's actions, thoughts, words, and this method is way more common. Here's an example: she always held the door for the person behind her. In this example of indirect characterization, we have to make an inference about this girl based on the action. And since she holds the door for people, we can infer that she is a polite person. So the difference, you guys, between direct and indirect is that indirect, we've got to use our background knowledge and make some inferences as to what kind of character we have. And in direct characterization, the author's going to come right out and tell us the character's personality. So as you read Alice in Wonderland, you're going to focus specifically on paragraphs 6 and 7 to do this assignment. As you're reading those two paragraphs, you're going to look for the different sentences in the story where we directly see the character's personality and where we indirectly see the character's personality. So, here in the boxes below, you're just going to type the sentences, make sure it's the full sentence with capital letters and on correct punctuation, but type the full sentence here for the places where we directly see what kind of character we have, and then over here, type the full sentence for indirect characterization where you're having to infer the character's personality. You're also going to learn more about coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. You'll start by watching this video right here, which is highlighted in yellow. And then the boxes below, I've just given you the examples. So your coordinating conjunctions are for and nor, but or yet so. And the first letter of each of those spells out the word fanboys. These coordinating conjunctions are used when you're writing compound sentences. And that conjunction goes right in the middle between the two sentences to join them together to make one complete sentence. In subordinated conjunctions, these are just a few examples that are commonly used, but these conjunctions are after, although, before, though, and while. And as you watch the video, it will explain more about these two types of conjunctions. Interjections is your next lesson, and there is a video here for you to watch about interjections. Make sure when you finish this Google slide that you click the blue submit button.